Why you should use YouTube ads for your business. YouTube is the leader in online video and the premier destination to watch and share original videos worldwide throughout the web. Without a doubt, this opens a huge opportunity to promote brands and businesses through video marketing by providing you everything you need to profit in a simple, interactive, and fun way. What are its benefits? The following benefits will tell you why you should use YouTube ads for your business. A ton of traffic. You can lead your traffic to your website, product, or service with video ads. You can generate a ton of traffic, and you'll find less competition at a lower cost. Pay-per-view. You only pay when people watch your video. You don't pay for views that are not being converted for your business, so you won't waste money. Reach your ideal customers. You can reach people based on who they are, their locations, and on what they're interested. You can reach them by topic, keyword, or demographics. Build a following. You can drive video views and new channel subscription opportunities and convert them into revenue for your business. Create a difference with competence. If your competence is limited to one platform, like image, webpage, or even radio, video streaming and your use of it will earn you a whole new unlimited group of possible customers. A low budget. It doesn't take too much from your own wallet to enter the video streaming platform. In fact, most indie YouTubers began with nothing more than effort. Responsive web designing. More than 70% of people are watching videos using smart devices. They are also spending their time on e-commerce websites to learn about the offers and latest updates from different stores. Marketers are targeting responsive web designing and following this trend to make their marketing videos compatible with mobile screens. This is the most important point that must be focused upon to grab customer attention. Perfect for e-commerce. The description of products and services helps consumers because they like to watch videos to learn more information about the products they are going to buy. This is an ongoing trend that every online retailer is following today. Immense exposure. This is the key to driving revenue, notwithstanding the obvious fact that capitalizing on this is very important. Shocking facts about YouTube ads. You'll benefit greatly by taking a look at the following facts. In March of 2013, more than 13 billion online video ads were viewed by approximately 182.5 million Americans. It is important to note that based on the most recent census, the total population of the United States was approximately 312 million. Video ads accounted for 25.1% of all the videos viewed, while only a mere 2.2% of time spent online was spent viewing online videos. E-commerce is very vast, and today every retailer is transforming their business to be online. In the last year, the number of advertisers using display ads on YouTube increased by 1,000%. No less than 84.5% of the United States audience views online video content. The average YouTube visitor accesses the site 14 times per month. More video content is uploaded to YouTube in 60 days than the 3 major U.S. television networks created in 60 years. More than half of all video ads run between 15 and 30 seconds, while 36% are more than 30 seconds and only 13% are less than 15 seconds. Summarily, the key to effective advertising seems to be in the ability to actively engage the viewer, ideally somewhere between the 10 and 20-second mark. On Facebook, over 150 years' worth of YouTube videos are watched every day. YouTube has signed over 10,000 advertising partners to date, including Turner and Disney. Hundreds of YouTube partners are making 6 figures a year. In 2006, when Google bought YouTube, YouTube was losing money at a rate of $500,000 a month, despite its immense popularity. Google, however, saw its immense advertising potential. A new kind of advertising called viral advertising uses blogs and emails to promote a product. For example, Dove's Evolution of Beauty campaign was an overnight viral sensation when more than 1 million people watched a time-lapsed video of a model being made beautiful on YouTube. You get more clicks for every 1,000 impressions. Video banners usually have from 50 to 100% more click range. Video is a more effective format because the user notices it as something more entertaining than a normal banner. Every month, more than 1 billion people visit YouTube and watch over 6 billion hours of YouTube videos. These are a lot of potential customers, and you can decide where and when a video ad shows up and which of these potential customers sees it.